Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you about the right process to charge R410 gas. A lot of people don't know the real process to charge 140 gas, and trust me, it is so harmful if you don't know the process to charge, how to charge 410. Okay, before I tell you one important thing, the R410 gas is a mixture of two gases, the one of R32 and the second one is R125. It is a mixture, okay? If we mix both gases, then it will become R410. So the standing pressure of R32 is 240 psi, and the vapor pressure is equal to standing pressure, is equal to 175 psi. Okay, this is a standing pressure. Like if we have a cylinder here, then this pressure is here. Okay, and if we charge gas in our system like this in a standing position, then here is our vapors and here is the liquid. Okay, but if we charge vapor in our system, in our AC, so which gas have a high pressure like R32, it will go more in the unit because it is a high pressure and we are charging the vapors. So R32 is gone far in the unit, going fast. Okay, but R150 have a little low pressure from this, both are in psi. So this is the wrong thing when we do this. Okay, so do not charge a gas like this in a standing position. It will make a problem in your compressor. Okay, so any time you have to charge R410 gas, so you make sure you charge liquid like this. Okay, because liquid is a mixture. Okay, so do not charge like this, it will create a problem in your compressor. And your compressor, normally we are using the VFD compressors, like the speed control compressors in our new system in inverter ACs. So compressor have also speeds inside the compressor motors, like high, medium, low, that kind of things, new things we are trying in the AC. So if you charge vapors R410 in your air conditioner, so this will become a problem in your compressor and maybe it will blast. A lot of cases I hear about the blast is only when you do this wrong thing. If you charge like this vapors, then it will make problem. Okay, the R22 is okay. R22 is only one gas you would charge. Okay? R22 is only one gas you would charge vapors or liquid, anything you want to do. But if you charge R410, make sure you charge slowly. Okay, make sure you charge 50% of your gas on the off system, and then you turn your cylinder like this and charge only a liquid. Okay, remember one thing.